Hello to all the internationally educated nurses there. I'm Navkiran from Navkiran's Nursing Hub Limited, and we are located in Ontario, Canada. Through our institute, we are helping internationally educated nurses to start their NNAS process in order to become a registered nurse in Canada. And in addition to that, we are providing classes for CPNRE in order to become LPN in Canada, and also we provide classes for NCLEX RN in order to become a registered nurse in Canada. So friends, today I'm going to talk about NNAS process. See, getting your NNAS advisory report within 3 months is not a myth anymore. It is a reality, and you can get your NNAS advisory report in as short as 3 months when you start your NNAS application with us. This is the biggest reason why you should contact us to start your NNAS application. Why? Because when you start your NNAS application by yourself, there are a lot of doubts, there are a lot of uncertainties, lot of things that you need to know in order to start your NNAS, because this is a first step. This is a pioneer step to become a registered nurse in Canada. This step decides a lot of things about you. Okay, so the advisory report decides a lot of things about your license, about your nursing future in Canada. So if you want to start your NNAS stress-free, without any doubts, and if you want to get your advisory report in the shortest time possible, contact us today. Our WhatsApp number is flashing, and you can send us a WhatsApp message or call me there. Me and my team is always ready to help you. See, we will not only help you to start your NNAS process, not only form filling, please note, we will help you throughout your NNAS process until and unless you get your advisory report done, because there are a lot of steps in NNAS. It's not just only about a filling up of a form, it's way more than that. And in addition to that, we are going to help you when you will apply to your regulatory body also. So it's a long process. It's not just about a day or two, but definitely we will help you to get your advisory report in as short timing as possible. So kindly contact us today for your NNAS application. Thank you so much.